department.
The delegation of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council (KAAC), led by its Chief Executive Member Tuliram Ronghang, met Khadc Syiem Pyniaid Syiem in the presence of other executive members on Thursday. While speaking to reporters, Khadc Syiem informed that they had discussed the need to maintain a healthy relationship between the councils, especially relating to preservation of culture and practices of the two communities. He also informed that they also discussed with the delegation of the Kaac about prevailing tension in the border villages across the interstate boundary with Assam.
Yadai ka jungi ka KHDC bat ka KAC kan yai beteng da ka jinga skut jimut kumno ban yayo ban ya trailang ka jinga pen bet pot he ka long ba ngide ban ailat ya kitu ki pai ba syong satu bakin pen sngo chanu ki kwa kata de ka nongrem ka baningko.
The College of Nursing, Negrims